Hi, this is South Bay Aerial Photography. This is a quick video on how to set up DaVinci Resolve so you can get your information back. First, open up DaVinci Resolve and we make a new project. Go down to this sprocket looking icon, and that is the settings. The first place we go is to the master settings, set the timing, resolution, and the frame rate. Now we drop down to working folders and we set each one of these to the folder that we're going to be using. I typically hit save right after this, and then I reopen. Next we drop down to capture and playback, set the video capture and playback, and after that drop down to the center screen and set the browse button for your save clips too. I use all the same working folders for all of these. Hit save and reopen. Go to the last tab for path mapping and add your folder. And save and close. Go to the left top side and open preferences. Go to system media storage and add your path. Next, go over to the user tab. Hit project save and edit and add your path please. Hit save and you're all set. I want to say a quick thank you to the people at DaVinci Resolve for making such an excellent piece of software and allowing us to use it for free. Thank you, you're the best. I can be reached at edward@southbayaerialphotography.com. Have a great day.